Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how do you factory reset an iPhone. Before resetting your iPhone, make sure to take a backup on iCloud. So first of all, tap on Settings, scroll down, General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Erase all content and settings, continue. Enter here your passcode. Enter here your screen time passcode. If you didn't set a screen time passcode, then enter here and enter here your Apple ID password. Tap on turn off. And then all you have to need, just tap on erase iPhone, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.